Hi guys, what's up? It's your boy Extreme Catfishing out here in Oconee County at Oconee State Park, getting ready to do the Oconee Passage portion of the Palmetto Trail. It's real neat. It's a little parking area off of the windy road inside of the park here. You come down these stairs. This is where the trail starts. It's a big kiosk right here, in addition to a big spider web. Love spider webs. That's a map there, and if you look at their map, the Oconee, this is the connector here, and this is actually part of the Chestnut Trail loop here. So of course this guy tells me that I need to go that way. So that's where we're getting ready to head now, guys. And just give you a little heads up, front office folks, real nice. You do have to pay the fee for the park entry. There's a guy at the front gate, so there is no, sliding past in some of these other parks where they don't really enforce it. They enforce it up here, mostly because they want to keep this park up and running as nice as it is. So this is supposed to be about a 3.5 mile trail. About 3/4 of a mile, doing yellow markers here, 3/4 of a mile down the trail, well, from the end of the trail, is a path that goes to a waterfall. So, a lot of cool stuff here, guys. Hoping I can get all this stuff on my iPad, excuse me, my iPhone, my iPod. Alright guys, just giving you a little bit of yellow trail woodpecker. See if you hear him again. Got a little creek down there. Cool stuff, man. Alright guys, it's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man, and see you in a little bit. There it was again. That's a big woodpecker. Check out these guys. I'm going to show you this real quick. It's a pretty big tree that fell. Got moved to the side. A little stream down there. I don't know if y'all guys can see it. Right there. Little stream going through there. Pretty purple flowers. Pretty purple flowers, guys. Summertime. Not a bad time to be out here. Alright guys, getting to a portion here where it's a little brick wall that you can either apparently walk on, or you can come through this other little section here. It's a big hole right there. Right there. Come through this little section here. Kind of splits off more of the pretty purple flowers. And comes this way. And the Chestnut Trail goes that way. Oh, that doesn't look very inviting, I'll tell you that much. But if we look here, it's telling me that the Palmetto Trail goes that way. Okay? So, that's the way I'm going to go. This way. Alright guys. Just giving y'all a heads up. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man, and I'm out. Hi guys, it's about 11:30. Just now starting on the trail, of what looks to be the trail, and already we're getting into some hill areas. We're told, well, I was told by a little bit of the research I did, was this was going to be a hilly, moderate trail, not a flat, easy one. So we'll see how it works out here. But this first part here Seems to be going through the woods. It's really cool up here. You can't tell it's almost 90 something, close to 100 outside. That has something to do with the fact that all these ant bears down here. That's kind of cool. You can't tell that because number one, you're in the mountains. Check that tree out. And number two, it doesn't get very humid up here because I'm up here by the mountains. So we come to a break in the trail, which let's see. Alright, so definitely either way, I need to go that way. That's probably that falls, that trail. Like it's flattening out a little bit now. Still on the yellow marker. So I'll be with y'all guys in a little bit, man. Alright guys. The little ranger lady still on the yellow trail. The little ranger lady at the front office was not lying. It is absolutely beautiful out here. I mean, the trail is well kept up. You got markers every 20-25 feet. I mean, you cannot get lost on this trail. Really nice out here. I mean, look around me. Yeah, like it's any different than what you've been doing already, extreme catfishing. No, every trip is actually different for me. I mean, it's just better and better every time. I'm not sure what that is. That looks like it might be rooting from a wild boar. Let's see. Put my hand down there to compare. Yeah, it's probably wild boar. Any deer that size, I don't want to mess with. And it's only one spot, so yeah, that has to be a wild boar. Lots of ferns out here, pretty ferns. I mean, trail is just beautiful out here, guys. Nice and cool. And I'll get to end my trip at the falls, actually. It's going downhill now. So one thing about this trail, it's mountainous. So we got up, down, and all the way around type deals. But it's kind of cool, guys. Outdoorsmen, this is a paradise. Another paradise, fellas and ladies. Haven't really seen many lady hikers that are really serious about it, kind of like I am. But yeah, guys, it's beautiful out here. Alright, man, see y'all in a little, or see y'all in a little bit. I'll get my dyslexia here soon. Alright, fellas, later. Alright guys, I can't, I'm amazed at these little miniature, they look like little Christmas trees all over the place. This is cool. Come up with my first bridge here, and it's really nice. Cool, different type bridge. I hadn't seen one of these like yet. So it looks like this is dammed up. Maybe beavers. Don't see any beavers. Or maybe just the flow of the water actually dammed this up. I don't know. But it's on both sides. Little muddy creek that goes down that way. Cool stuff, man. Cool stuff. Alright guys, I'm trying to save some battery time here and so I can get to the falls, but I keep running into cool stuff. Like these little trees. these little bushes that grow alongside the trail here. They're so cool, and they're outlining the path. It's like a little mini forest you're in. Really, really cool stuff, guys. Really, really cool stuff. It says 1872 is the highest elevation for the trail. Right now I'm at 1855. So I'm getting to the highest elevation. And I guess I'll stop and acknowledge that to y'all guys when I get there. Alright, boys. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. And I'm out. Alright, guys. Trail dumps out to this, what I believe and remember to be a service road. These tracks in the road look more like bulldozer tracks. Stagnant water there. Nothing but a breeding ground for mosquitoes. See a little bit of some tadpoles in there. Actually, you see lots of them right here. All over the place. If I can get the water all riled up, you'll see them here. So it goes down this road, and I believe it goes back into the pine forest, but we'll see. Loving this trail so far, man. Did you expect anything else from Extreme Catfishing? Step out the door, I'm loving it. Alright, guys. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. And I'll see y'all in a bit. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing here. About a mile into the Oconee Passage Trail. And come to a four-way here. There's a trail that way. That's the way I was going. There's a trail that way, and that's where I came from. This is a crossing here. This way and one behind me here is a crossing for the Foothills Trail, the Tomassi Knob Trail, and the Hidden Falls Trail. Neither three of which I'll be doing today. But as you can see, Foothills Trail, Hidden Falls, then Tomassi Knob. And I'm just going to go down a little bit in here, just kind of give you an idea of what to expect, because you know your boy Extreme Catfishing is coming back to do the Foothills Trail soon. But Hidden Falls, they're saying is that way. Tomassi Knob, that way. So look for a YouTube video your boy doing the Foothills Trail, because you know it's coming. Okay, so a lot of lush trees out here, I have to say. Very, very nice out here. Still on the dirt path road. Yellow marker. And we'll get up with you fellas in a little bit, man. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing, and I'm out.